Wait, you shouldn't have taken out the bag.
Yeah, because then we could just...
No.
What? What's the point? Oh my god! I'm so done with this.
Are you
I'm just hungry. Hey guys, welcome back to our canal.
Back with another video.
So today we're gonna do the mukbang or the mukbang.
Is it mukbang or mukbang?
Mukbang. 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 Because mukbang just sounds weird. Mukbang.
With a Q&A. We asked, well I asked, because she didn't want to ask. People.
I can
ask right now. But I got some people's questions and we're gonna do that.
First, we're gonna eat.
Yeah, because
I'm so hungry.
Is it, what is it called? A mukbang or mukbang?
Mukbang. Mukbang, bro.
I don't know. Do lemonade. We got Chick-fil-A. We got number 3, 8-count mule.
I got some chicken
with Chick-fil-A sauce and buffalo sauce. I don't like Chick-fil-A sauce.
Some Chick-fil-A sauce.
And just
some lemonade. Lemonade. Okay.
Yeah. Anyways, our first question was, I know everyone will want clarification. Are you guys twins?
No.
We're not twins.
No.
I guess we just have very strong, powerful genes.
Yeah.
But we're actually 3 years apart.
Yeah.
It would be crazy if we were twins.
I can't.
I can't deal with her already. Wanna ride on the groom? Groom? It's a motorcycle.
Well, I think it'll be fun, but I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm low key. I think it would be really fun. I've always wanted to have a motorcycle. Like I don't know, but I think I'm scared.
I mean, we ride 4-wheelers, but I don't think it's the same thing. It's like 2 wheels.
Next question. How you so beautiful? Thanks. Would you rather lick a hobo's toe covered in peanut butter or the hobo lick your toes covered in peanut butter? That's nasty either way. Like,
I prefer the hobo licking my toes.
for real?
Cause, ew.
I don't want to lick a hobo's toe.
That's disgusting. They probably haven't even taken a shower.
Jeanette, okay, stop right there. That's so mean. But true. Yeah, I would rather lick. No, I would rather have the hobo lick my toes. Whoa. Okay. Farthest you've ever traveled and how it went. Like in the US or out of the country?
Well, I think you've traveled farther than I have, to be honest.
Yeah. Because I'm
farther, yeah. No.
Further? Farther?
Farther. Further.
Out of the country, I've traveled to Mexico. That's mainly it. Like parts of Mexico, I went to Acapulco. And then I went to my parents' hometowns, which are San Luis Potosí, and my mom's from, where's mom from? Michoacan. Yeah. So that's the far. Oh, and I went to Jalisco. Yeah, Guadalajara. Yeah. So, are y'all the same height?
No.
No, I'm a little taller.
I'm 4'11", and she's how tall are you?
Like almost 5'1". But
I thought you were 5'2".
no, I'm 5, but like almost 5'1". I need more paper towels. Oh, the next question says, are you guys in a relationship? Like, are we in a relationship?
No.
Nope. Nope.
Well, I like someone.
Yeah, same. But you know, it's kind of hard to tell with guys these days. So, how old are you? How old are you guys?
I'm 15.
I'm 18. I turned 18 in October, and she turned 15 in
August 25th.
She had a whole quince, which is crazy because I didn't. I'm jealous.
So we have Young Life tonight.
Which is like, yeah, Young Life. If you don't know what Young Life is, it's like a group that each school in our state, well, not even state, like our city does. It's called Young Life, and it's like a church. It's not connected to the church, but like it's like a Bible. I just burped.
Yeah.
It's like a Bible study group hangout, but not really. But it's so much fun. I can't describe it, but like we had a, what's it called?
Camp.
A camp. Well, no, we do different activities, but yeah, we have camps and stuff, which they're so much fun. Like you, I can't think. Like I'm so cold and hungry. Should we take them to Young Life tonight? So they can see how it is.
That's not even part of the video.
Well, it is now. So you guys are gonna come to Young Life with us.
Yeah. And it's game night. So we're gonna do like different games.
All right, guys.
So
We will see you guys at Young Life.
Your knees are gonna be a problem.
Bro, get back!
Paul's already messing up.
I know. Get back!
I can't lift. Excuse me, the whole car. I was just sorry. Bro. I can't grab it.
Go! Oh my goodness!
Why is he so intense? Come on. Go. Pick it
This is so hard to pick up! Oh my goodness!
I'm not a
No, hey, wait, chill out!
We're gonna win.
Oh, hey, stop!
5 minutes. Can you stop?
Hey guys, we made it back home. We just got back from Young Life. It was so much fun. We didn't really get to video when we got there. I totally forgot. Like it was over my head. We were just too excited because it started back this year since our leaders who are college just got off break and they're back. So yeah, and we took some clips. I hope you enjoyed those. We if you don't really know what Young Life is, just know it's really lit. It's really lit, and if you do know, you know it's lit. It's basically, I don't know any other, well, I know other states have it, but I'm not yeah. But we're from Chattanooga, Bada Booga. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be back with more and more videos. I don't really feel good. I don't know why, but like I feel like I have like,
She's like, her head's really hot. I don't know.
yeah, I really feel like I have a fever and my throat hurts really bad. But that's not stopping me from finishing our video and getting lit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe.
And don't forget to
Hit that bell button and comment. But we'll see you
in our
next
next
time.
vlog.
Bye. We want to give a shout out to McLean McBride. Thank you so much for watching our video, girl. But yeah, we'll be giving shout outs at the end of our videos. Stay tuned for each. Maybe you'll get a shout out. Who knows? But yeah. Alright guys, see you next time. Peace.
Peace.